Hi, how you doing? Today I'm going to replace the drain hose pipe on a Mark 7 Volkswagen Golf. So when I say the drain pipe, I mean this particular piece here. So it's just a length of rubber tube with the rubber grommet on the end. And what that does is essentially, it's to drain water runoff from behind your VW badge. So in here, water collects there. Then you have the little drain pipe that goes from there all the way down inside the tailgate. So as you can see here, that's where it comes out, that little hole, that's where that little rubber grommet sits. As you can see, the rubber grommets come away and the water is actually going into the tailgate itself. So now I'm just going to instruct you as to what's involved in replacing this part. Now I bought this off of main Volkswagen dealer, cost me about €6, so it's quite a cheap part. It is the OEM part itself, and the part number for that particular one is, the hose is 510-827-861-A. That's genuine Volkswagen OEM part number. Okay, so it's a T25 or a Torx bit to remove the plastic trim on the back of your tailgate. So one here. You just have to remove down this little flap here. Third one there, and then the fourth one is just in there. Okay, so I just have a little cordless screwdriver, little DeWalt, makes life a hell of a lot easier. So I'll just remove them off now. Okay, so once I had them 4 T25 screws removed, I basically put my hand in here, pulled till I heard a pop, and then another pop, and then again on this side repeated the exercise. Just pull down, and then you will essentially hear the plastic clips here and here just been removed, as you can see along there. So now I'm just going to replace that little hose pipe.
Once you remove the plastic trim from the tailgate, this is what you're looking in at. This is where the old rubber grommet is missing from. Here we have the old and the new replacement part. This is where the new part has been installed with the new rubber grommet.